Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to download WhatsApp Media to phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to download WhatsApp Media to phone or your phone's gallery, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, this kind of interface will be available for you, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on the settings option just below the start messages, and over here you can see the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here you can see there is the media visibility option available for us. Now in order to download WhatsApp Media to your phone, here it says, guys, so newly downloaded media in your phones or your device's gallery, and there's a toggle icon at the right side. Make sure that it is turned green or turn it on. With that being done, guys, all the WhatsApp Media which were sent to you on your WhatsApp account will be downloaded on your phones or your device's gallery as well. And with that being done, guys, this is how to download WhatsApp Media to phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.